2017 67 plate BMW X1 18D sDrive. We've got 79,200 on the clock. We're just giving a little drive just to make sure that it's all okay and nice and tight and BMW-like, which it is. No warning lights on the dash. Gearbox, 6-speed gearbox, is nice and tight and slick and changes up and down very nicely. It drives very well, as you would expect a BMW to drive. We've got a great pedigree with this car, as always. It's only 2 owners from new. We've got full service history. There are 2 services, I think, stored on the iDrive. The remainder we've got all invoices for. Then there's 6 services in total, right the way up to end of last year, 2024. There's also a couple of invoices for some other little jobs. And we have also had the telematics SOS battery, the little SOS thing that is up here, the battery that sits in the back in the roof. That's been replaced. They normally have a lifespan of about 6 or 7 years, so we thought erring on the side of caution. So that's been all done and replaced, all working nicely. Yeah, great pedigree with the car, 2 remote keys with it as well. History's good, condition's very nice, it looks lovely. It's got the rear privacy, and you've got cruise, it's got DAB, and you've got your nav, rear parking sensors. So spec wise, it's a very nicely packaged little car, great economy as well with the diesel, and you know, BMW for Monday money. Lots of information about the car up on our website, images that accompany the videos that we do. But if there is anything in addition that you'd like to know about the car, or finance options, or the home delivery service that we offer with our own in-house delivery vehicle, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.